Hello everyone. Today I have iRobot Roomba S9 vacuum cleaner, and it has automatic dirt disposal. Let's unbox it. Here is the box. Here we have the document, how to start it. Just remove it. Here is the vacuum, power cords, and the dirt disposal here. Let's get each one by one. First, let's see the power cord. These are the accessories. Dirt disposal. Came only one. The vacuum. We have only one filter. I think here we have this. This should become at least two. I don't know why they add only one. I think this is the extra one for now. Put it back. That's all it comes with this. Let's open the vacuum. Right, here is the vacuum. It's beautiful, isn't it? Let's put this aside. And what else we have here? Some documentations. It's in the box. Should leave it here, and let's see the vacuum cleaner. Clean button, home, and here they have a camera too. This side they have sensors. Okay, here is on the bottom. So this is it. Automatic dirt disposal. Here's are the sensors they have here. So that let's clean it. Press the clean button and ready to clean. cleaning the carpet. Very noisy, but I can tell it's very powerful too. It's cleaning. What do you think?